Hi everyone, welcome to this ArtStation learning course on sculpting a rock formation in Blender. My name is Rico Salia. I'm a freelance 3D artist. I've been working in the games industry for about 8 years now on a whole bunch of different games, and I'm currently working as a modeling and texturing artist at InXL Entertainment. So in this course, I'll be covering my entire sort of rock sculpting workflow in Blender, from initial preparation and blockout to actual sculpting and detailing using a bunch of different brushes, masking techniques, and so on. I'll also be showing you how you can create your own sculpting alpha stamps and brushes inside Blender using the Grab Dock add-on. This course is meant to serve as a general workflow introduction and guide for game environment assets in Blender. The techniques shown here will enable you to create not only rocks, but also many kinds of like stone and concrete-based assets, as well as damage and wear and tear effects and so on. This guide is aimed at somewhat less experienced artists, as well as people who may be new to Blender or maybe want to just gauge the sculpting potential of Blender, and also people who may be new to environment art in general. I will try to explain what I'm doing as much as possible, but basic working knowledge of Blender's interface will help you a lot. Also, while in theory you could follow along using just your mouse, I highly recommend using a graphics tablet. It will make your life a lot easier. Okay, so with that introduction out of the way, let's get started.